I put my gamsa on, as you can see, and what I'm going to do the next 24 hours, I'm going to live with a very poor person who works hard on the fields. My boot is stuck over there. Yeah, careful. You can see I'm all muddy. Okay, comes on. You wipe it, comes on. I'm going to try to take all of this over there so there's water comes in. Okay, the reason I've got this light on is to give extra light because it's almost it's Maghrib time. Okay, so let me just show you. This is Ludomir's furki. It's actually a little swamp that you can see. It's not very clean. Okay, that's his house. Okay, that's the bathroom. Okay, so can you see? Okay, so I gotta come at night. I usually get a very soft mattress. Okay. Okay, I don't think I've got a mosquito net here. Oh my goodness, they've been killing my feet. And I've not Quran Shura seen it. Yes. Yeah, Hunter already. Alif Lam Mim. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه. Okay, this is this bed you can see is made out of, you know, we have guar, okay, beetle nuts, and I was feeling a bit, it's a bit weak. It cost me around about £10 all of this. I got Uri 8 kg. আমি লেম্বু বলা খাই, লেম্বু দিছি। হাও সাইন, তুমি দেখাও কি তার আনছো? কলম শাক। কলম শাক। What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wake up, have some breakfast. I'm going to try to make tea. That's the back of his house. It was a bit cold, a bit worried. No. Okay, this is water. I'm going to put water here. Okay, hold on. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, don't come around. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to use that. Who's in it? আমার ঘরে আইছি ওখানে